down near him. Big says, no, get away.
Actually, I think Biggs wants to play.
Get away from me. Yeah, push his nose. Yeah, Max. I know, you're waiting for somebody to go swimming. And then you're gonna drive Mama nuts. Don't get aggressive. There's no reason to. He's relaxing.
Biggs is afraid of him.
Max.
It's okay, Dad. They'll work it out.
Don't do that.
Max is.
Look at that.
How gentle. Isn't that something else?
Max, be good. Max, be good. Be good. Don't leave him alone. He's being good. You know that, keep pushing him. Try the other hand, huh?
You're a silly puppy.
Are you happy, huh? Are you happy?
Good job. Good job. Watch him get aggressive when he pet.
Oh, look, he's going to say, well, you're petting him. Patty has to pet me. Come here, Maxie. Maxie.
Oh, yeah, just lay down there.
He says, how come you're not like Dutch? Dutch plays with me. What you doing, Maxie?
He's checking it out.
Is it status quo?